In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw to Visa card on Pocket option. Step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to enter, and what to expect while your withdrawal is processed. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Pocket option website. If you prefer, you can simply search for Pocket option and open the official site from the results. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure your profile is verified before withdrawing, as some regions and payment providers require identity checks or proof of card ownership. After you've logged in and you're on the homepage, look for the finance section in your account dashboard. Click that and then choose withdrawal. If this is your first time withdrawing, note that the option becomes available only after you've made a deposit to your account. This is standard on most trading platforms to help prevent payment fraud and ensure funds go back to verified sources. On the withdrawal page, you'll see a list of available methods. Select Bank Card, which covers Visa and MasterCard. Keep in mind that many platforms send funds back to the same card you used to deposit, so have that card ready. If your region or card issuer doesn't support withdrawals, you may see an alternative option instead. Next, enter your withdrawal details. Type in the amount you want to withdraw, pick the card if it's saved, and add any requested information exactly as it appears on your account. Double check the currency, minimum and maximum limits, and any displayed fees or conversion notes. Entering accurate details can prevent delays, so take a moment to review everything carefully. When you're confident the information is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to complete a security prompt or a one-time code. This is normal and helps protect your account. Now wait for processing. Many withdrawals are handled automatically within a few minutes, but it can take up to 3 business days depending on your bank, region, or the platform's security checks. During this time, you can monitor the status in your account's finance or withdrawal history. If it's pending, avoid making changes to the request. If the time frame is exceeded, reach out to support with your request ID so they can investigate. That's it. You searched for Pocket option, logged in, opened finance, chose withdrawal, selected bank card, entered your details, confirmed, and waited for processing. Follow these steps, keep your account verified, and your Visa card withdrawal should go through smoothly.